You know what? Like, you guys are like, when as a business owner, we have a mission, and you guys are an example of our fulfillment of our mission, because you two are two business owners in the CBD space, a legitimate cannabis business. And is this your first time with a cannabis company?
Yes.
Wow. What about you? Tell me some of the responses your customers have provided you so far, like using your products. What are some of the testimonies you've heard?
So far, I have my best friend. Her mom is battling chemo right now. She has breast cancer. She's battling chemo. So with that being said, I let her try the pain bump because she's been very sore from it. So I'm going to take her some tinctures tonight so she can try it. She was a little skeptical. Well, I need to ask my doctor first to see if it's safe. And I already showed her everything, and she was like, I'm not sure. Ask your doctor, come back. She calls me up. I can take it. Give me some.
Yes.
So I'm excited about that because I want her to be, relaxed. I know she's anxious. I want her to be relaxed. I want her to be more calm.
Yeah.
And I want her to be, of course, pain-free.
Yeah.
If all possible.
We have a company out of Texas. I did a live with them too, so check the archives of our lives.
Okay.
But she is a natural homeopathic clinician, and she helps chemo patients. And she does a hybrid with our tincture. She's one of our tincture clients, and the chemo, because the tinctures will help offset some of what the chemo